Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've been shopping on Lookfantastic and I've chosen a selection of products to share with you. Some of them were really great discounts with spring in mind. Hopefully weather getting better. I don't know about you, but Wales, at the moment, although we're seeing a bit less rain, which is a good thing. But the products I've chosen are, as I said, with spring in mind. So think at-home treatments, hair care products and some makeup as well. This video is sponsored by Lookfantastic. They kindly sponsor these monthly beauty hauls where I get to choose products for myself. Some of them are long-standing favourites which I've bought over and over and over again, and some are new, including what is underneath my armpit here. I have a code to share which is DiaryLF, and it can be used against everything shown in this video, including sale items as well, which is really good. And yeah, I've benefited from it numerous times. I'll pop links to everything mentioned down below in my description, as well as my discount code, and if there's any other offers on the website and any new beauty box releases, you'll find it all listed down there. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's start off then with what I'm resting on. It is a deluxe foot spa. This is by Rio. It's a foot spa and massager, and it heats up the water, keeps it nice and warm. I've got a bog standard foot bath. I love it. I absolutely love it. We don't have a bath at home, so whenever I receive anything in beauty boxes for a bath, then I save them for my foot baths. Now, my feet are not the best looking. I've mentioned this numerous times in different videos. I just walk everywhere barefoot. If I'm going further than down the road, then I will wear shoes. But generally, I'm barefoot everywhere, up in the garden, on the concrete, outside, yeah, everywhere. So my feet aren't the best. And it's not until around this time of year that I start taking more care of them. I do regular foot baths anyway, but that is just for relaxing. I don't care what they look like, they're just going in there, it feels amazing, nice and warm on my feet and my toes, and that's just for relaxation. It's a 5-in-1 multifunction foot spa designed to massage feet with hydrotherapy jets. It retails for £49.99, but my code brought it down to £39.50. Something like that, so just over £10 discount. So I thought this would be a really good thing to share with you if you love your foot baths like I do. I'll set this up and you'll see me having a little play with it. So that's what it looks like. It says do not use a wipe without water. So it's a nice big bath there. And look at these rollers. The system features a 5-in-1 multifunction with reflexology foot rollers helping to massage key pressure points, while gentle vibrations and hydrotherapy jets target aching muscles and tendons. The device effectively heats up water and retains temperature continuously for a long-lasting treatment. Complete with an aromatherapy diffuser to impart a relaxing fragrance, the easy-to-use device is perfect for pampering hard-working feet after a long day. So that's my new spa bath, and the next item I got was actually recommended on the spa baths page. And I thought, oh, okay, I'll look into it. This is by Marvela, Switzerland. It's a concentrated foot bath, deodorizing, tonifying, pedicure preparation. It retails for £12.99 and there's 75 mils here. I haven't tried this before, so it's a new product for me. Its softening action also makes it an ideal preparation for pedicure and enables easy removal of dried or calloused skin. Yep, not to be used by women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Okay, that's completely fine by me. So yeah, it's got a nice refreshing minty smell. Yeah, and I'm sure when I was reading the reviews, I'm sure this is the one. Like beauty therapists buy it, mobile beauticians, they buy it to put in their foot baths. Yeah. With antiseptic pine oil and antibacterial eucalyptus oil, this Marvela concentrated foot bath is both deodorizing and caring, working to leave you with sandal-ready feet all year round. You're just supposed to add a few drops into a foot bath or a basin of warm water and soak your feet and dry thoroughly afterwards. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. Next up, I've got some new shampoos for me to try. Now, I have tried numerous different shampoos in these monthly hauls. I love trying new ones. Some of them are great, some of them not so great. I've got really thin, fine hair. I wear little halo extensions just to thicken up the bottom, but naturally my hair is super thin. Before I saw this duo on Lookfantastic, I was doing some research on Google. I wanted to find a natural shampoo and conditioner set that was great for thin, fine hair. And this came up and I read some reviews. People were saying, yeah, it's amazing for the hair. We've got a Grow Strong conditioner. This retails for £36, but obviously with my code, I got a big discount off. There's 300 mils here, 100% natural Ayurvedic plant power for lustrous, protected, healthy hair. And then we've got a Grow Strong shampoo, which is £35, 100% natural Ayurvedic plant power for thicker, rejuvenated, healthy hair. And it's also 300 mils. For the shampoo, it says pollution, stress, age, and build-up of styling products all impact on the quality of hair. The Grow Strong Rescue range harnesses the power of Ayurvedic to bring lackluster hair back to its former glory. Conditioner are intensely creamy, vitamin-rich formula of amla, ashwagandha, brahmi, turmeric, shikakai, and argan, enriched with restorative holy basil, cardamom, patchouli, and vetiver, combined to leave brittle hair beautifully repaired, hydrated, and silky soft. It sounds gorgeous, doesn't it? If any of you have tried any products from Mowley before, please let me know what you think. I got something else for my hair. This is from Virtue. Now, I've tried a few different products from Virtue and I'm really impressed with them. I'm currently using this smoothing spray. I can't remember what the name of it is called, but it's a burgundy bottle anyway, and it's really, really great. My hair really likes it. I saw this when I was doing my research on what products to get for thin, fine, fragile hair, and this came up. This is Virtue Flourish. It's a density booster. Stimulates, strengthens, and thickens. There's 120 mils there. This retails for £47. Again, I got it at a reduced price and my code brought it down again. Excuse the flashing, it's just the camera, but you can see the difference when using it. Plus it's got really great reviews as well. It's a botanical based nutrient infusion for the scalp, ideal for those with weak and thinning hair. The treatment is formulated to stimulate fatigue follicles and nourish the scalp. They suggest to apply it to damp or dry hair, lift into sections and spray directly onto scalp. Gently massage in and do not rinse. I've actually used this. I used this yesterday when I washed my hair. I wanted to see what it was like, so then I'm able to tell you about it. It's quite a thick spray, like an oil type spray. That's what it looks like. Some reviews have said that if they use it too much in between washes, if someone washes their hair once a week, if they use it say 2, 3 or 4 times, then the hair gets greasier faster. But I wash my hair roughly every other day because I've naturally got very, very greasy hair. So I wanted to see what it was like, and it was fine. I sprayed this all around my roots, I brushed it through, and then I applied the Burgundy Virtue spray, the heat protection, strengthening, smoothing spray, whatever it's called. Sprayed it on the mid-lengths and ends, and then I blow dried my hair. My hair was really nice and smooth. It did feel thicker as well, which is great. And yeah, it didn't feel all greasy and horrible or anything. So hopefully this may help me. We'll see. But again, if you've tried it, please let me know what you think. Next, I've got a really exciting concealer. This is by Glohub. This is Zit Zap Concealer, Undercover High Coverage Concealer with tea tree, salicylic acid and white willow bark. There's 15 mils here and it retails for £14. And I've got it in shade 04N. It's got amazing reviews. It just sounded so great. It's a makeup product that's buildable and it helps the spots at the same time. I get spots on my chin and I hate it. So yeah, something completely new for me. And I'll definitely be doing a little review on this as well, just to let you know what it's like and to show you what it looks like on my skin and how well it covers up spots. I've got quite a lot of red, quite noticeable spots there then, or old spots that are left redness. It says, reach for me when breakouts need some coverage and care. Yeah, tea tree and salicylic acid. Ah, look. It comes in numerous different shades, but I thought this one suited me the best. But that'll blend in quite nicely into my skin as well. Tap it in. Yeah, it's a nice thick concealer. So it'd be interesting to see on my face how it does blend in. Yeah, that's really good. Let's smell. The reason I say smell is because it's tea tree. I just want to smell if I can smell it. Yeah, I can smell it. Yeah, I really like that so far. I think that is going to be a handy makeup product to have in my collection, definitely. But yeah, look out for a review of this coming soon. And lastly, we have got one of my favourite products. This is my second purchase. The original one is in shade fair. This is in shade medium. This is a newly released product from Lumin. It's a CC colour correcting cream. Now you'd think, colour correcting cream, it's not going to be enough for me. I need a bit more coverage. It's medium coverage and it has SPF 20 in it as well. It's so beautiful. Now that my eyebrows have healed, from tomorrow onwards I can sweat, I can go into saunas and gyms and things like that, and I can also wear fake tan. I had my eyebrows microbladed, so I haven't been able to wear like fake tan sprays and things like that. Well, until from tomorrow onwards, then I'm free to do whatever I want. But I'm going to be doing a review video. You already know I absolutely love it, but I just want to show you why. Why it's such a great product, and you'll see it on my skin. I've got lots of redness, lots of imperfections on my skin, but it just leaves a gorgeous sort of glow that is long lasting. I've got combination skin, by the way. It tends to be oily in the middle, and yeah, it's not too bad. Towards the end of the night I might have to blot my nose a little bit, but it doesn't remove the product at all. But I love it. It retails for £19.90. There was a promotion on when I bought it, and with my code it brought it down again. It comes in 10 different shades. The reviews are all 5 stars, so it's not just me. Everyone else loves it as well. And yeah, what's it say on the back here? It is infused with skin tone unifying Nordic lingonberry and Arctic spring water. Perfects skin for an even naturally glowing complexion. It's unifying, anti-redness, texture perfecting, moisturising, illuminating, long wear, UVA and UVB protection. So I wanted to get a medium because now that I can use fake tan, I have a lot of gradual tanning sprays. They're like setting sprays where I spray my face and then throughout the day then I just develop a nice glow. Very subtle, but just a nice glow. So as I love this so much, I wanted a darker one to use on those tan days. So it is a little bit darker, but as you can tell, not too much. Not too much at all. Obviously, you know, it doesn't match my hand, but with a fake tan it'll be fine. Yeah, really, really happy. I've got a darker shade now. So that's a Lumin CC Colour Correcting Cream. And those are all the products that I've chosen for this month's Lookfantastic Beauty Haul. I hope you enjoyed watching. As always, I'd love to know if you've tried any of these products out, but also if you've had your eye on something on Lookfantastic, if you'd like to see me try it out, then I'd love to hear, so please let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.